Oh, I got you on my mind, and I know I'll be with you tonight. When I saw the first sunrise, I had you on my mind. You must be tired, 'cause you're running through my mind. Throughout the day I deal with it, in this broken promises. Fake people just playing and pretend. Excuses never stop coming in, but I know at the end of the day everything will be okay. Because I'll be with you tonight. When I saw the first sunrise, I had you on my mind. You must be tired, 'cause you're running through my mind. Every second I count down till I have you around. All I think about is being with you tonight. It is ecstasy when you're next to me, and I want to be with you tonight. It is so plain to see you get the best in me. That is why I will be with you tonight.
When you're by my side, don't need to run, don't need to hide. I wanna stay here all my life. I wanna give you all my time. I wanna spend on you every time. You deserve it, baby. And you drive me crazy, but that's alright, 'cause I like it when you're by my side. I wanna be with you tonight. Don't wanna waste no time, just wanna give you the rest of my life. When stress it comes my way, it tries to ruin my day, ruin my day. When stress it comes my way, all my blessings on the way. That's my baby, my baby. Like everything's going better when you're next to me tonight.
It is ecstasy when you're next to me. I want to be with you tonight. It is so plain to see you get the best in me, and I want to be with you tonight. You're the real deal, not fake like Splendor. When I see you, put my heart in a blender. I'm not playing games like Nintendo. Forever with you, I intend to be with you till the end of the end. You're item one on my agenda. You're my lady and my best friend. I'll keep showing up so consistent, like the sun rising up in the east. And outside of Jesus, you are my reason. You make every day a sunny season. I'll be loving you until I'm deceased. 'Cause when I saw the first sunrise, I had you on my mind. You must be tired, 'cause you're running through my mind. Every second I count down till I have you around. All I think about is being with you tonight. It is ecstasy when you're next to me, and I want to be with you tonight. It is so plain to see you bring out the best in me. That is why I will be with you tonight.